Today is 21st of June and it's a Sunday. Pun intended, because it's solar eclipse today. The scene looks little weird, to be honest. It has a kind of a grim, kind of a dull vibe. You know, usually when it's like 12 and the lighting is this harsh, you can't even like open your eyes. You usually have to go like I really want to look at the moon passing through the sun. It's just gonna get dimmer and dimmer every few minutes until it's like 12, because it's supposed to be maximum when it's gonna be 12. People are starting to come out in their terraces and they're like, oh, look at the sun. Can you see the sun? That is the sun right there. This is the minimum I can get it to. Right now I can't see anything. I tried to record it for a while, but it's like way too bright even for the camera and the ND filter. I'm gonna let it get a little more dim, and once it does, I'm gonna again shoot right at the sun with the camera. Not for too long. I don't want it to like burn the camera. Technically it is a lens which is focusing at a tiny little spot that is the sensor. I just don't want to burn my camera. Also, we have these bamboo sticks in the background. We were supposed to paint the building, but we couldn't do that because Corona had started and we sort of had to let the people go for our own safety and theirs. Let me see what the time is. Okay, it's like 11:45. It's almost noon. It's gonna be at its peak in noon. That's the sun right there. I love this ND filter a lot. I love it. Let me try again. I'm gonna zoom this time. So bright. Okay, so basically, yeah, I think the solar eclipse is kind of over. I don't know when I'm gonna get to see a solar eclipse again. This was in fact my first solar eclipse. I have to like go back inside and record a bunch of b-roll for this new video that I'm doing right now. This is really fun to film. I'm gonna go to the PC right now, try to time-lapse it and see what happens. Things are getting really bright again, so I'm just gonna go back inside and start like recording and stuff.